The National Council, the lower house of the Federal Assembly of Switzerland, has approved an order for 36 Lockheed Martin F-35A fighter jets. Despite opposition from some lawmakers, who sought to trigger a popular referendum on the procurement, the Council's members gave the green light with 128 votes against 67. The American F-35A is the right aircraft for Switzerland, argued Jacqueline de Quattro of the Liberals' FDP party. It's the cheapest plane, the best from a technological point of view. Given the Council of States, the upper house of the Parliament, also showed its approval in June 2022, the federal government can now move forward with signing the contracts. The Federal Council of Switzerland will acquire 36 F-35s to replace the McDonnell Douglas F-A-18CD Hornets and the few remaining Northrop F-5E Tiger II antiques of the Swiss Air Force. In another vote, the National Council rejected a proposal to decommission the F-5s before the delivery of the first F-35 to the Swiss Air Force in 2025. The 25 aircraft will thus continue to carry out limited operations such as training missions.